What's up, lovelies? It's your girl, Lovely B123, and I'm back with another review. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on a Black-owned female brand called FAB Hair International, and that is how I achieved the hair I have here today. But first, what I need y'all to do is click below, click that subscribe button so that you're alerted to all my new videos coming up. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back, so stay tuned to see my thoughts on this Black-owned brand, FAB Hair International. Hey lovelies, these are all the wonderful products that FAB International gave me to try today. And as you can see, my hair is so dirty. It's in need of some TLC, so I'm excited to finally try these products. So today I'm going to be starting off with the Stimulate and Soothe shampoo. I really love that it had a concentrator nozzle, so it was easy to distribute. This shampoo had a really good lather and it didn't make my hair tangly, which I really liked. So I went ahead and rinsed out that shampoo, and as you can see guys, my scalp and hair are super clean. Then I went in with the moisture mask. Y'all, this moisture mask was thick in a good way. I absolutely love super thick deep conditioners, and this did not disappoint. I was actually able to even start finger detangling my hair, which I really loved. And then I went in with my detangling brush to finish up the job. So not only was I able to finger detangle, but able to pretty easily detangle with my brush. Then I put them in big sections when I'm done, just so it makes it easier for myself when I rinse it out. So I'm gonna leave this deep conditioner in for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. Okay, hey lovelies, I'm back. I thoroughly rinsed my hair out. It feels really good. This deep conditioner, my hair is so soft. Now I'm gonna go in with this, the Moisture Mist leave-in conditioning spray. Now I'm just going in with the FAB Lengths Growth Stimulating Serum to help moisturize my scalp, and then I just rub it in. Now I'm gonna do a twist out. Beautiful Curls Flaxseed and Aloe Vera Curl Defining Gel. So I'm gonna use this for my twist out. I'm also going to be using the Twist and Define Custard in conjunction with the Beautiful Curls Defining Gel. Okay, so after applying all those products, I just twisted my hair in the sections, as you can see, until I was finally finished. And y'all, I really like these twists. I actually kept them in for a few days because I liked them so much. Okay, I'm back. These are my twists after a few days, and I have them pinned up. So I'm just gonna take it down. And I'm just using a bit of the FAB Lengths oil to help take down my twists. Okay, this about to be lit. It's about to be litty, y'all. I already know it's about to look good. I feel it. Okay. My hair feels soft, but it's looking pretty defined right now, so I'm happy about that.
Okay, I'm cute or whatever.
Okay, lovelies, I'm back, and you see the hair. I took all the twist out, put a little edge control, took all the twist out, fluffed it a bit, and this is what I have. I love it. My hair looks really, really cute. Like, it's banging. Like, it's really banging. It looks so good. Like, oh my God. These products work really well. I really like them. I'm just gonna quickly go through each of the products that I use, starting with the shampoo. Y'all, this is honestly one of my favorite shampoos to date. It feels tingly on the scalp. It feels like it's really cleaning my scalp, but it's not drying, and it doesn't tangle my hair when I was washing it with the shampoo, and I washed it twice. The next item in the line that I used was the moisture mask. Y'all, the moisture mask, this is just a really good line. Like, I'm not even playing. This was very moisturizing. It's super thick. You get a lot of product in here. Like, it's so thick, so thick. It won't come out. It's really thick, and I need that because I have 4 type hair. So that's something that I need from my type of hair, honestly. And it worked really, really well. It helped me detangle, kept my hair moisturized. I really liked it. The next product I used was the Moisture Mist Leave-In. This is good. It was light, it's easy to apply, it's a spray bottle, and you know, I thought it worked. I thought it worked well. I use this oil on my scalp to help moisturize my scalp. I have scalp issues, so I felt this was really good. I also used it on my hair when I was taking down my twist, which I felt, you know, that worked well and gave it some shine as well. So I like this. This is a good oil. So the last products that I used to achieve this style that you saw was the Beautiful Curls Curl Defining Gel. I really like this gel. It's light, but there's still hold to give you definition. I did pair it with the Twist and Define Custard. So one is more jelly, one is more custardy. I do think you could probably interchange them. I don't think you have to use them together like I did. I thought it gave me a good result to use them together. I used actually more of the Curl Defining Gel, majority Curl Defining Gel, and just added a little bit of this Twist and Define Custard to it. And it came out really good. Of the two, I think I might prefer the Curl Defining Gel just because I have type 4 hair and I think that this provides more hold. But this also gives hold. It's a lighter hold and provides more flexibility. But I tend to need more of a stronger hold. So pairing together, it gave me good definition, good hold, but it's soft. It's not hard. So I like that a lot. So all in all, guys, this Black-owned female brand, I have to give it, honestly, I mean, I love it. It works so well in my hair. Like, it really works. Like, look at it. It looks so good. It looks so good. I feel cute. But I feel cute. I think my hair looks really nice. So all in all, I really like these products. Go check them out. I will provide her Instagram link below in the description box, as well as my links to find me on Instagram, TikTok, etc., social media in general. And I'm back. Hey, Lovely V123 is back, baby. All right, have a good day, guys.